Hi Emma, your new bibliography still has a few problems. Here's your report. You should always check your own report. This will be the way to avoid this problem. And not everyone will give you the chance to redo. But these passages here, so I count from the beginning to the end of that kind of checkered passage that's flagged, and it's about 10 words. And plagiarism, most strictly defined as 3 words in a row, the same as the original. And this is about 15 words down here, or 12. So those, I think, oh no, in here. So you've got 3 places you still need to work on. Don't forget to restructure your sentences. So plastic can take hundreds and hundreds of years to decompose, and most plastic products only get one use out of them before they end up in the ocean. So you could say, let's see, how could you choose a new? You could say, let's see, most plastics that pollute the earth are single-use plastics, which take many hundreds of years to break down. So I changed the subject, I rearranged the sentence, and I picked synonyms. That's what you need to do with all 3 passages.